Cheers! How do you do? Welcome to Sail Mermaid. In this episode, I am actually starting off in Sweden at a kinky Viking party that me and some friends are throwing. But this video is not about that, it's about maintenance. So, come along!
The marina in Valencia is pretty big and it's far into the marina shops. I had my old outboard in for service this winter, and in the absence of a car I had to use a shopping cart trolley for transportation.
I'm gonna do an attempt of doing something useful on the boat again. I've been back to Norway and came back with a lot of stuff, and now I got a thousand projects running as always. So once again the boat is a mess. It takes me about half an hour from I arrive to the boat till it's totally fucked up. The reason is I bring many things from Norway and I got many plans. And I end up trying to do them all at the same time, and that's not always an advantage. Now I actually am going to put this on the front of the solar panels. I'm gonna show you in a second how I plan to do it. The thing is that when you're standing underneath the solar panels and it's raining and the boat is moving, you always get water down in your neck, which is not very pleasant. Now, by putting this on, I hope to direct the water to the side so it won't come forward. When it's heavy raining, it won't do much good. Maybe it will even do worse. But in normal light rain, it will at least keep some of the water away so you can stand beneath without always getting that water just down in your neck. It's the most annoying thing. Now the first thing I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna tape the front of the solar panels right on the edge over here. And the reason why I do this is because I'm gonna put some kind of tough silicone so that you don't get a little bit of water coming through in between. This sits like shit, so by putting this tape on, it will be easier to remove this if it doesn't work the way I plan to do. Here is where the water will come and hopefully go out to the side. So now I gotta drill a few holes. Then when that's done, I take it off, put silicone on, and I pop them on. I don't know if you can see it, but I got it on one side now, this aluminum profile. I'm gonna try to film it from the back side a little bit so you can see. Here you can see there is a glitch where the water will gather up and hopefully go out to the side. Now this will also, I think, help with the stiffness of the solar panels and hold them together. And because of that, I didn't cut it at the end of the first two solar panels. I let it go along to the others. So now I get some kind of a frame that holds them together. Now for the next project of the day, I had to get a little creative. The thing is, where I removed the handles for the thrusters, there it's open just now. It left a wound in the boat that looks like this. I went to a few hardware stores to see if I could find any match for this, but I didn't. So I have to get a little creative, and let's see if that works. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this cutting board and I'm gonna cut it to a match and glue and screw it on. Well, I can tell you this, grinding plastic is not easy. It's very hard to get it good looking because when it gets warm it clogs and looks like shit. But this is the result. This will be mounted here. And no more possibility for rats or rain or water in anything in the boat. I think that's gonna work. Like that. So thank you very much for watching this episode. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and share it with your friends on social media all over the place. And I hope to see you back for the next episode. So thank you very much. Bye.